Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to be removing and reinstalling the rear door latch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, I'm going to take this window switch bezel out. I'm just going to use a pick right here. There's a little cover that's under here. Pull this cover up, set it aside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. We want to take that screw out. Take that screw out. We're going to take a trim tool. Just try to pry underneath here. There's a little clip that holds it in back there, and then come to the front. Pry that up. There's a clip in the front as well. Pull that up. We want to disconnect the electrical connector right there. Just push down there and pull it off. I'm going to just take a pick. There's a little cover right here. We want to take that cover off. Get underneath here. And just pull it forward. Just pry it out like that. We want to take this screw out. We're going to use a T30 socket extension and a ratchet. Loosen this up. Oops. Pull that screw out. Now I'm going to take these 3 Phillips head screws out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Now I want to pop the door panel off. There's these pins that go around the perimeter of the door. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath the panel. Just pop these out. Just like that. Once they're all popped out, you can grab the door panel, just slide up. Now we want to disconnect this latch, this cable from the inner door latch. Just slide this part like that. Now slide this cable out, just slide it up. All right, we're going to take this screw out. We're going to use a T30 extension and a ratchet. We want to remove this bracket so when we take the vapor barrier off, we have a little more room. Take that off. I'm going to take a utility knife and I'm just going to cut away at some of this tape that's holding this on. And it should re-stick to itself once you go to put it back on, even if you cut it. All right, so I want to pull this vapor barrier over the lock rod. Slide that over, slide this out of the way. And just slide that right like that. It should be good, just right there. I'm going to remove this bolt. This goes to the window channel. I'm going to use an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Take that bolt out. All right, now I'm going to grab this channel, just slide it forward, and just set that aside. I'm going to take this screw out right here. I'm going to use a T20 and an extension and a ratchet. There's 2. There's one here, and then you're going to have to go through the hole over here. Get the other one off. Take that screw out first and go through this hole right here. Take this one off. Now I'm going to grab from the outside this little cover. It's going to slide out this way. It's going to hinge out. There's a little tab right there. You want to be careful not to break that tab. Then we're going to grab this part of the handle and just slide it outwards and slide it that way. Now I'm going to take this gasket off, set it aside. If it's in good shape, you can reuse it. If it's not, you're going to want to get new ones. To remove this gasket, I'm just going to use a pick, get underneath here, slide it out. There's some tabs, just get underneath the tabs to slide it out. I'm going to remove these 3 bolts. Just use a T25 and a ratchet. And as we get closer to the end, I can grab the latch from the inside to stabilize it and take this last screw out. All right, I'm going to take this cable, just release it from this tab right there. Just grab the latch and slide this down. All right, there's a connector right here. You just want to disconnect this connector. Push down on the tab, pull the connector out. It's just a little tab right there. Just slide this lock rod through there. Slide this down. And slide this whole latch assembly out. All right, I want to disconnect this lever right here, this rod from this lever. I'll just take some needle nose pliers, little tabs right here on the side. Just gonna squeeze that. Just like that. Try to push this through. Pull that through. Sometimes those separate. It's okay like that. Take a straight blade screwdriver. You go in between here. Just want to release this, and then there's a clip over here. Just slide that up, and that releases that, separates that from the handle. I'm going to take this lock rod, slide it up, and slide that right out. To remove the cable, we're just going to take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little release tab here. Actually, I can do it with my finger. Just slide this up. That's going to release like that. And then just pull the cable right out of that hole. Reinstall the cable. I'm going to take this end. I'm just going to slide that into the hole on that lever right there. I'm going to line this plastic retainer up. This is going to slide into position just like that. We can check it over here, just make sure, pull on it, and it seems like the mechanism is moving inside, and that's good. Now we're going to take this lock rod, we're going to position this right here on this one, and then slide it down. It's going to lock it in place. So that one came out of that one right there. Take this handle, this is going to go this way. We're going to want to make sure this lever goes above this. Slide this plastic piece in here. Slide this front piece down first, and then lock it in place down here, just like that. And push this lever down, and then this little retainer is going to slide through that, just like that. And that's good. Now we're ready to reinstall this in the vehicle. All right, this little piece fell out when I was taking it apart. This goes in there. That's gonna slide into the hole on the door, on the outside of the door. So we'll check that when we're at that part. Just take the latch assembly. We're just gonna slide this through here. Get past that window channel. Oh, this lock rod needs to go through here. So try to slide this at the same time, just like that. All right, get that in position, right there. And just slide this into position. And we'll take these bolts, get these started. So on the outside here, before we tighten up those bolts. We want this to get lined up. Now this is that little piece that came out. It's gonna slide in here, and that's gonna slide on that notch. And position that just like that. Now I'm gonna tighten these down. I'm gonna use a T25 and a ratchet. All right, I'll just snug those all down, make sure they're nice and tight. That's good. Now we're gonna install these gaskets. Just line this up. I'm gonna have to push the plastic piece on the inside out. Make sure the gaskets get secured properly. Just push those on. That's good. Now we'll take this outer door handle, just slide this in position just like that, and then slide it towards the vehicle. Then with this piece, this little ear is gonna go in there and just slide down. Push that flush. Take this screw and I'll get this started. And take my ratchet, I'll just snug it up. Just snug, not too tight. It is in plastic. Now I'll take this other screw, get this one on here, and tighten this one down. Not too tight, it is in plastic. Right, I'm gonna connect the electrical connector. It'd be a little easier to connect this while the latch was still out, but I can line it up. All right, get it lined up. Just lock it down. I'm gonna reinstall this cable. I'm gonna have this cable go on the inside of this wire, and then it's gonna get secured right there. Now we're gonna install this window channel guide. And just slide this in here. Get this in position. And tighten it. Tighten that up. And then take the bolt. Get that installed. And I'll take a 8mm socket and a ratchet. Just snug this up. Make sure that's in there properly. You could always lower the window to make sure the window's lined up. Snug that up. And just line this up. I'm gonna go take the lock rod, put that through here first. Just like that. Then everything can be secured. Just line the holes up. And press it on. Right, we want to install this trim bracket before we put the door panel on. Just get this lined up. Take a T30 extension and a ratchet. Just tighten this bolt down. Make sure these little tabs line up. And just snug that up. And then we'll take this cable. This is gonna line up right here and then slide right on the latch. Get the lock rod to go through that hole there. And then we want the top part of the door panel to slide over here, just like that. And then make sure all the tabs are lined up. Once the tabs are lined up, just give it a tap. Just like that. Now I'm going to install these Phillips head screws right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. And then right here as well. I'll take this screw, it's a Torx screw, tighten it with a T30 extension and a ratchet. And just snug that up, not too tight, it is in plastic. Take this cover, line this cover up like this, and just push it in. Now we'll take this switch, connect it right here to the wiring harness, line that up, and then push it down. Remember there's these tabs right here. They're gonna line up the little retainers, hold it in place, lock it down in place. Take this Phillips head screw with a screwdriver, get this started, and then we'll snug it down. We'll take this little trim cover, put that right back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.